What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Mike with BZ Cooks. So today is a grandiose day. Put my seatbelt on. We've got Elmer and Jasper. It's a business collab between me, BZ Cooks, and my man Smoking and Grilling AB. So this is the second event that we're doing. And hey guys, we just wanted to take you along for the journey. I got my daughter out here with me today. My man Kevin Lockett from Lockett's Kitchen and Grill. He'll be out here helping us today. So we're on our way to the event. We'll get some footage of us setting up and everything. And just kind of give you a bird's eye view of the event and take you along with us on this journey, guys. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get you some more footage when we get to the event. Peace. All right, we are at the Upland Night Marketplace. I'm here with my man. We got Kevin Lockett with Lockett's Kitchen and Grill. We got the mask on, so he's looking like Bane up here. We got, I know who this is. It's Smoking and Grilling with A Bizzle. And hey, we're still waiting for our food to get warm. We weren't late necessarily. We weren't late, but it takes a little while for some of the food is really cold, so we're still waiting for it to warm up. But it's still early. We did serve our first plate, but hey, I'm gonna show you a little footage of what's going on here. We're gonna get a shot of the food. Get a shot of the food as well. So that's coleslaw. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. So we got some brisket. Got a pulled pork right there. Got some chicken, some ribs. We got our baked beans right there. And potato salad over now, but we'll get with you later. So, anyway, hey, stay tuned. We'll give you more footage a little later. Show you a little B-roll of what's going on. See y'all in a minute. What's up, everybody?
Oh, this is a video?
This is a
video. I didn't even know this what it was. Okay, hey, do your thing, man.
Hey.
I'm exhausted.
Hey, you see what's going on? We are sold out. I don't even know what time it is, but the night market ends at 9:30, and I don't even think it's time.
Oh, man,
It's about 8:50. It's almost 9.
No. I'm an hour ahead. I ain't set my watch.
Oh, 7.
It's almost 8 o'clock, and we sold out.
Yeah, we're sold out. We're sold out, guys. So we appreciate everybody who we reached out to this. They came out and supported us. Shout out to Oso for coming out and supporting us. Shout out to all my family and friends. Thank you guys for coming out, guys. Hey, we sold out, man. Everything is gone.
Hey, and I want to say give a big shout out to my boy. Let's move over a little bit. Oh, hey, turn around, man. Throw it up.
Oh yeah. It's Lockett's Kitchen and Grill in the building. Hey, we out of here, y'all. Until 2 weeks from now, we be back.
Oh, that's right. Running
2
back.
weeks from now, we're running it back, y'all.